Primer version 21 contains some improvements in the generic keyword editor panel. This presentation will demo these. Primer version 21 contains the following improvements in the keyword editor panel. Data field column widths can now be resized. The cursor changes in the header fields to indicate whether clicking will sort the column or clicking and dragging will resize the column. New button added to automatically resize all the columns to fit their longest entry. In the keyword editor, the column widths can now be resized by dragging the right edge of the column header field where the cursor changes to left-right cursor. This can be particularly useful for seeing the whole include file name or if any numbers or values are truncated. In the middle of the header field, the cursor now changes to up-down cursor, indicating that the column will be sorted using the existing sort feature when pressed. The column width can also be resized to fit the longest entry in that column by double-clicking on the header field edge. There is also a new button, AutoFit Calls, which resizes all the columns to fit their longest entry. This new column widths are remembered throughout the primer session. So when we close and reopen this editor panel, the column widths are retained. To reset the columns to the default width, you can press Reset Calls button. Thank you.